Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and I might be having a Boston day. Today we're going to carry on with part 2 of the suspension change on our sub £1,000 7 Series. The wheel off, you can see exactly what's happened. Now, it's easy really. It's a bolt here, an attachment there, and there's 3 attachments at the top, and really that's it. Bar getting my off. Normally that is a pain in the bum to get. We're going to see how the old girl treats us today. Remember, put all your hardware where you can find it. The next 2 behind here. But first, the hope and pray that the shock comes off without much grief, because otherwise it's be a world of pain. So we don't want to play ball. I had been pre-warned about this situation, but I thought I might get off lucky, because when I looked at the service file it said the shocks had been changed on this. I'm having second thoughts about that, or believing what I should say. I've been backing it with the lump hammer and chisel. I haven't got a split at all until maybe tomorrow, so if not, I'm going to pack off, get a split at all, and crack on again tomorrow. Eating mat was a rubber, it just bounces. Ugh.
So when we've got stuck rear shocks and they are a pain, we always use this extended ball joint splitter. So
you might be asking me, well, how comes yesterday when I was trying this, I did use that? Well, the simple fact was that was in our lockup and Dad was at work and I had no access to the tool, so that's why I couldn't use it yesterday. But Dad's off work today, it's a Saturday, so, and he had the keys to the lockup where it's capped. Now, I'm going to say that tool is quite inexpensive. I think we paid £10.
yeah,
I think it was £10.
£10
about 5 years ago for that, and it does come in handy.
it does.
So,
It's a wonderful tool. Boston tool.
Boston.
So now we're going to put our trusted splitter into action, and hopefully it comes off in a good one. So glasses on as well. Safety first. Right.
It's gone, man.
It has gone. Flipping hell. Yeah. If in doubt,
Get the splitter out.
get the splitter out. Ah, Boston.
I've got the arch line here. That should give us some space to pull the shock out.
Yeah.
Big arch line now.
It's a big arch line.
That should give enough room to get it out there. There it is. Yay. And that's one E38 shock out. How bad is it?
Not really, no.
New shock, new spring, new top mount and bottom rubber spring seat. Okay, now but get. Oh God.
Alright.
We're just putting up the shock there. It's pretty simple. When you get the shock off, spring compressor spring. There's nut at the top you undo. Once it's compressed, fully compressed, tap out. But it's all back as it come out with new hardware. But before undertaking, it's really good to have a good set of
Spring pressures.
one with 2 claws. Before we put the arch lining back in, I'm going to wash the arch down.
And the reason we're going to wash your arch down is why?
It's mank.
And also to see if there's any, which there is, and clean it down.
When we put the arch lining back in, it'll be nice
It'll be clean, right?
clean.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens. Up against there, nice and clean, but there is some rust down here. So that's got to be sorted one way or another. Shag ground up pop, do you think?
Should do.
I hope so. But this has never saw a sponge in its life, this arch. It's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? Wash it down with turtle wax, ceramic wash and wax. Should leave a nice coat of protection on me, even though the arch line, I should say, has got to go back in. It does look more pleasant. So this is pretty much all back together now. We're at the wheel
Liner.
Yep. We open the wheel liner on, because in practice tomorrow we're going to sort this out here. I might flipping put a coating in here of some sort. We'll see, but it's clean then. It's wait till I put my arch line in and forget about that. It's I do going to do the car justice for that, do my car justice. So I'm going to grind all that out, see what I'm up against, paint it all up, put the arch line on tomorrow. That'll probably be a totally separate video. Yeah. I do like a nice clean arch. This is your arch, even though it's got an arch line in it, it's still get quite dirty. Damn there. Let's just start doing now. We've cut the bottom of the shock off, so just the top. Yeah, been a right pain. So people, the shock's all together. I don't know if you can see it in my logs, but it's starting to snow, I think. How are you feeling so far?
Lovely.
Happy it's all been back together. That's been part 2 of our 2-part video. And as you can see, it's all back together.
There she is. She's back together, yeah.
So really happy about it. It's been on her back, and the arch liners are not back in, because we're going to get her back up next weekend and de-rust any bits of mother rust.
And do some welding as well, because it's a little bit soft in places.
I'm going to walk around to the other side. I'm going to show you sort of. I don't suppose the back looks too high. I never set up, huh? Really?
No.
Compared to the front,
Well,
you don't.
yeah.
You take got a look at
No.
a stupid right to, is it? No. Your driveway falls back a bit.
Yeah.
Well, it's got new shocks on anyway, new shocks and springs. Just want to put a warning out there, anybody who's bought one of these, don't have history, when you get the back off any time, have a look at the spring seats, because they do tend to rust out. On both sides. The other side was closed again as well.
It was, yeah, indeed.
So,
yeah, rotten.
if you do get your back wheels off or you're changing your brake, just have a look around behind the dirt, because this might happen to you.
Could well do.
Well, at this point, we're going to say thanks for watching.
And if you like, give us a click.
If you want to add anything to what we're doing, or get in touch, comment down below. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on Reddit as well. So go over there and do some shizzles. But thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye.